Hello friends, my name is Subham Kumar. Today I am going to present my HTML project titled My Grid. This project this project is designed using HTML5 display academic performance in a structured table format. The main object of this project to the understand how to use HTML table and semantic tag effectively. This website follow the standard HTML standard which include doc type HTML, head section, head tag and body tag. HTML language is in web page specify the language English and title the head section content information metadata head section is content information metadata and meta character set allow the browser to support all character and symbols. Meta name viewport make the web page response on mobile device. Title define the page the show on the browser tab and my grid. The navigation bar is created using the nav tag and inside nav and unordered list create an unordered list and define uh, list item and anchor define anchor tag is used to create link to other page such as home profile course grid and about uh, contact and this navigation bar help uh, use move easily between uh, page of the website. H1 heading tag is used to display the main heading my grid and it represent the most important title on the page. The grid the the grade and display using the table tag and border 1 pixel and add each visual border to the table. Caption provide the table the title academic performance and head table header and content the table header and body content the main data footer tr table row create the table row define table heading such as course name code and table heading text is bold and create by default and tr table row create such as data row and table data hold table data such as course name coding and all represent and table footer display summary data and call span uh, 2 pixel merge to call span to merge two column into one. It so total, create, complaint, and oval GPA. And another table tag is you to so so is great skill and content heading border A and the all define the data and the chariot tag. They create two horizontal line. It visual spread the main content from the footer. The footer section is create using the footer tag and p p is used to display text and copy display the copyright symbols is so copyright information of the year 2026 and my project is create and my project is finally uh, web browser my grid table and my grid table course web developer और ये grid skills my second tables grid skills ये is complete ये copyright symbol से table footer and my table is complete. Thank you guys.